Hi everyone, I am Prachi Mandolia, nutritionist. I would like to introduce you all to my YouTube channel, Prachi Mandolia. About myself, I am a registered dietitian and a certified diabetes educator by profession. What do? I have been practicing since the last 15 years. Currently, I am doing a lot of nutrition workshop for kids because I believe starting early is the way to shape the future of the kids. Also, I am an avid blogger. I blog on topics related to lifestyle and nutrition. You can find some interesting nutritious recipes on my blog too. I am very passionate about bringing about lifestyle changes to make it a better world. Also, I consult people for weight loss and medical issues like diabetes, gastro, cardio and any other. On this channel, I would be sharing simple, easy tips to enhance your lifestyle. Simply, healthy isn't just about your weight or your size. It is about your lifestyle. Trust me, you'll be surprised to see how these little changes can make such a big difference. So, subscribe to this channel to receive regular updates and get the latest content. Have a great day. Bye-bye.